Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock all doors from the inside in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so on our main doors, right in here we have those two buttons. Now, to lock our doors we need to click the one on the top. And now you could hear the sound, I hope. And now our doors has been locked. And now also, if you want to unlock it, click right in here. But remember that if you pull the door from the inside, basically even when they are closed, they will open. I'll show you that. So now they are closed, no one will open them up from the outside, but from the inside we still can do it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.